Yo, coming to you direct. DJ Needle with the best MCs. I got my man up the bat, MT, the most toughest.
Time I spar, B-boy to the heart. And even in my afterlife, I'm hip-hop like that dog fife. Never tripe with the mic. FUC with the GMs, think twice. Not blind, but seeing no equal to needles. Fake front MCs, the shit you kick is feeble. I ain't playing, you don't wanna see me acting evil. It's okay, I don't get up with society. Thug, meaning the hate you gave. Haters looking at me crossways. Just had your can of haterade. The real feel, the fake can't fade. Come test and get that ass sliced up like blade, like snipes on the mic. There will be no flaw. The rhyme, Jigsaw, put the fans in awe. Ain't no puzzle. I get 5 mics, you get a muzzle. You whack like an empty gag, so hold that. Like dice, I hit you with the raw, wicked style against the law.
Oh my God, you heard the style coming live and wow. We got a new kid. He go by the name of Heavenly. And check out his verse.
Yo, I feel hip-hop stale, now I'm fresh out of jail. I know females ain't fairy tales, just grateful to make bail. I heard freedom's a myth, I'm feeling freedom's a gift. These judges be holding grudges and their collars are stiff, but that's just baby mama drama. I pause like a comma and took time out to rhyme out how it's better to be free than dumb. Free the dumb, they flee as we come. And I've been dumber than 2 cats on a motor scooter to Aspen, asking why you basking and face shit like Robin. But in the hood there's no bats, man, just gats and kids that blast faster than a hooker gives up the ass. And now I'm off the Oswald, lyrics deadly as an assassin. Let the fake shoot blanks, while the true give thanks. And if times get hard enough, I'll put on a wig and rob banks. As of yet, no disguise is needed, tight lyrics be heated. With needles on the cut, it's guaranteed to be bleeding.
I know you feeling this, but now we really finna flip the script. I got my cousin bringing up the rear. He go by the name of Baby Midnight. And the nigga's real hype. So check out this jam. He kick it to you, delivering it raw to your ear.
I correctively connect to the MIC for the mic capabilities, enhancing my ability. The poetry is me, the future of the industry. High voltage to a different type of frequency, and my personality shines throughout the valley. Even up behead of MCs up in the alley. Not your daddy, but a son of a gun. I'll blast one, watch you run, and now the chase is on. Now meet MT, the most fucking toughest MC, aka the blessed one who be running the street. And Mr. Heavenly, the deadly, who represents his daughter, who quick to serve an MC with a restraining order. Oh, Father, Mr. Selden, spell it in reverse. Please come harder than nipples inside wet t-shirts. Now bitches, lift up your skirt, show me your cunt, and let us hit it inside the cycle while we pass this blunt.
That's all, folks. You heard it. The hot, the realness. We got 3 hot MCs with the hot styles. This is Selden breaking you off. I'm out. Now you can listen to the Jigsaw. For all you people who never saw the 3 dopest MCs in the West. Blessed, Heavenly, Baby Midnight, and Selden bring up the rear. Needles in my B. 1, 2, 3, we out.